Taking the opportunity of zero-hour, opposition leader IBOBI Singh today clarified on the floor of the House that altogether 4 Gram Panchayats under KANGLATONGBI assumed to be integrated with the Autonomous District Council of Sadar Hills is false. Claiming that it was never given away, IBOBI submitted relevant documents in this regard to the Speaker. Meanwhile, Chief Minister N. Biren during the zero questioned under what circumstances a cabinet resolution in 2014 allowed the integration of 4 Gram Panchayats of KANGLATONGBI, which falls under Imphal West, to ADC Sadar Hill District. To corroborate his statement, the Chief Minister also submitted relevant documents to the Speaker. Further, during the zero hour, Suknu MLA K. Ranjit expressed his disappointment over the indifferent attitude of the authority concerned for failing to repair the road stretch between Wabagai Lamkai to Suknu despite repeated appeals. He further drew the attention of the Works Minister to give an honest reply whether the road stretch will be repaired or not, be it over the phone.
Gram Panchayat Mari District Council da keno tawgre haiba aina thamjang hibdo Manipur High Court ki double bench Chief Justice ka hana Justice hoiben ba hojingna Chief Justice Jammu Kashmir goi Koteshwar ani gi trial gi adu moi gi judgment order duni masi government na Imphal West ta leiramba or natraga Kangpokpi ta leiramba Gram Panchayat Mari se masi Autonomous District Council da khoina Pithuamba nate masi judgment si details in nainaraga di keno tawne masi honorable speaker ki through the honorable speaker da sinajage masi
kamai to na pi ki bano Imphal Valley da leiba Imphal West ki manung da chanba khunsing na 2014 ki da cabinet ki da kamai na decision lo ro pirammi court kamai na stay tawi ki da we da sei da se loi le am da logus
Ogai lam khaitu sugnu gi lambi se sambira roidra house da kya rakhan assurance speaker tongan bi scheme da khoi project report thare du tawre mars da du da hauda ba na mars ani sure sa dana ai zero wari khodong sa loroga ogai lam khaitu sugnu gi lambi se sambi gadra sambi roidra ha bedo oren telephone do so honorable minister da gi matang khangan dio na masi khodong sa lojabani